Hi everyone, I'm working on finishing up this Whims is what it's called. Let me hold it up for you. Whims Watercolor Quilt Kits. Now I don't know why I think it was on sale at Missouri Star. That's where I bought it. But it was, I think, last fall. And I thought, I'll just squirrel this away for when I want to do something maybe Easterish. And here we are coming up on Easter, so I thought, well, let's get this done instead of working on the projects I have booked, you know. So what happens is they send you a little plastic bag is what it was, and it had 3 stacks of little pieces of fabric, all cut precisely. What are they? 2 inch by 2 inch. And there was like a stack, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches tall of dark colors. There was a stack of medium color, all different little fabrics. And then I used up all the ones that were in the light package. So there were like 3 little stacks, light, medium, dark. Then they gave me some long strips, and I used up every square inch of the coordinating fabrics on it. And then they show you a grid. They said that, well, I had to purchase a fabric that had grid marks on it that you could iron right onto. So you lay down your grid, get your little colored coordinated stacks handy. Then you look at your grid map and you just lay out your little squares based on, where it is. And so then I made this. I do have to say that I was shorted on the green. I needed to have green right there. And I looked and looked, and there just wasn't any more green in that packet. Now, yes, I could have called Whims, and I'm sure they would have quickly sent me another little strip of it, but I didn't want to wait. So I went ahead and made it as is, and it's a little bit, I don't think if you didn't know it was supposed to be there, I don't think you'd know it was missing. But anyway, I was happy with the end result. Although you can see in the photo that it looks a little more symmetrical. So maybe I should have waited and got the fabric. I don't know. But I put it together, and then once you get it on there, and you can see the surface I'm working on is a big cardboard cutting mat that you would use for cutting out dress fabrics. And I put that there, and I moved my cutting mat, my big, the self-healing thick one. I took that off of there because I have warped those and ruined them using an iron anywhere near them. So I just put the cardboard one directly on my table surfaces. And then you lay out the things, and then you press them on there. Then you turn it around and you go through and put on all these little seams. Now look how nice that is, because you just follow the lines. I don't have to figure out how to make those straight at all. You just follow the lines. And it worked really good, except on the front here there was, I noticed that I had 2 parts that turned out a little bit wonky, right here and here. There we go. So I'm going to go back and redo them. Maybe, I think I'll actually, well, no, it goes, I'll have to open up the seam that goes the other way too, so that I can open that up. But anyway, I can get that done real quickly. But then I'm going to put a light batting on it and a fabric back. And I'm going to get it, maybe I'll just put fabric on the back, because I'm going to use it as a wall hanging. And I think if it had fabric on it and a binding, it would be plenty strong to hang. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so that is the Whims watercolor project, which I thought turned out really well. I liked it. And it was a nice break from all my big projects I've been working on. For instance, this is Tuesday, and I'm supposed to have my murder mystery quilt block 3 done tomorrow in order to get the optional additional clue. So I better get on that today too. Let's see. And I think it's spring break, so I need to call my daughter and say, okay, what do you want me to do today? You got the day, as soon as I get a couple of these things done. All right. Well, hope you try it too. Try the Whims watercolor. They have a bunch of really beautiful ones. I'm not sure if Missouri Star still has them, but you can go directly to Whims. It's www.whims, and let's see, the internet. Yeah, www.whims.cc. And you can buy your own kit. They have other religious topics, and they also have a lot of landscapes. Anyway, so hope you have a great day, and this is my first video for the week of March 15 and 16. This is going by so quick. I had to sit down and pay bills. I forgot to do it the first 2 weeks. But they're all taken care of now. All right, well, take care. Bye-bye now.